Hi, do you ever find yourself complaining about the other one? Do you ever find yourself having thoughts that the other one should be different and maybe even trying to change him or her? Good luck for that. Do you ever find yourself being a bit too demanding of how the other one should be? And how is that for you? How is that for the quality of your relationship with the other one? Does it generate more love and more closeness? Or does it create more distance? One of the important steps to take in order to create healthy and nurturing relationships is emotional responsibility, what I call to own your emotions. When we don't take emotional responsibility, we will usually project it outside. We may judge, we may blame, we may try to change the other one, we may become a control freak, we may become very demanding or expecting too much. We may go to the opposite side to isolate ourselves in order not to be triggered, our uncomfortable emotional world. Probably the other one will then respond from his or her shell with defending or attacking or avoidance. And this, it doesn't feel like authentic and nurturing. We're here to invite you to another possibility. The possibility to discover your capacity to hold your emotions and to discover how nurturing that can be for yourself and for the relationship. So in that specific moment, you can even take a breath in to support yourself to focus your awareness inside, into your sensations, into your states, into your feelings, from that space that allows yourself to feel whatever you're feeling. Nothing to be changed. Just the possibility of being open to the moment the way it is, until you find the nourishment of having intimacy with yourself, with whatever you're feeling. It's only from that space that we can create mature and nurturing relationships with another person. If you like to understand more about how to create healthy and satisfactory relationships with yourself, with others, and with life itself, please feel free to join our Mindfulness in Intimacy workshops. It's really a joy to share and explore together.